Google review, earn money. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to Google Maps. Search for a local business that looks like it hasn't been properly set up. You can spot these by the lack of photos, website, working hours, star ratings, or customer reviews. Once you find one, scroll down to the business details and look for a phone number. Copy the number and contact the business, preferably through WhatsApp or a short professional message. Introduce yourself and explain how you can help them appear more credible on Google. Tell them you offer a service called Google Map Citation. This helps businesses show up at the top of local search results. If you don't know how to do it yet, no worries. You can learn it for free on YouTube. Just search Google Map Citations tutorial or hire someone on Fiverr using the keyword "Claim My Business Citations." And that's it. Now you know how to start offering a helpful service and make money using Google Maps. Just reach out, provide value, and turn local visibility into profit.